side button ends call problem on Samsung Galaxy phone. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Static Studio. If your Samsung Galaxy phone calls ends when you press the side or power button, then here's how you can disable this feature. It's super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to stop ending calls from the power button, all you have to do just need to open up the phone application from a Samsung Galaxy phone. And once you hear inside the recent tab, you'll get to see the three dot line at the top right. You just need to tap on these and then simply go ahead and tap on settings. Now, once you hear inside the call settings, you just need to scroll down a little bit and tap on answering and ending calls. And once you tap on this will bring a couple of options. And inside this one, you'll get to see the option press side button to end calls. It's currently turned on. So what you have to do now to disable this feature, you just need to toggle off this option, and once you do that, you're pretty much good to go. From now, your Samsung Galaxy phone call won't ends while you press the side button. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.